Hi guys, this is Latif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update of the Bitcoin. The information I'm providing here is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Guys, in my previous articles and videos, I've been showing different support and resistance levels for the Bitcoin. This was the main support area where the Bitcoin took the bounce last time and took a very powerful bullish divergence and started a bull rally from here to here. And we can see this support level was $6,515, and after that, the next resistance level was $8,314. This was a strong resistance level, but it has broken out that resistance level very easily and retested that resistance level. And after that, we were expecting that the price action will break out the next resistance level of $9,819 and retest the resistance level, and it will move up to the next resistance level almost at $11,000, as it has done in the previous history, recent history, or recent move. But in retesting the next resistance level as a support, the retesting was failed and the price action dropped down. And I've already told you that once if this retesting will be failed or price action will be not able to retest this resistance level as a support, then we may see that the price action will hit the previous support that is at $8,314. And at this time, we can see the price action has almost reached up to $8,421, and here we can have some spikes at same level. So maybe the price action will consolidate here, or maybe it will reach to the support up to $8,314, and maybe it will have a bounce from there because that is a good and strong support. But at this time, we are at very critical support of 200 moving average where the price action is hitting at the moment, but I'll show you that support as well later in this video. First, I need to show you this support where we are going to hit at this time. Maybe we will see this level of $8,314 in next 1 or 2 days, or maybe we will accumulate here or consolidate here, and after that the price action will decide where it has to go. Now moving ahead to the next chart, and that is the up channel and the down channel formation, which we have seen in my previous video and the article as well. I've posted this video and article on 27th of Feb where we have examined that the price action was moving up in an up channel, very bullish and very smooth. You can see it was hitting at the support, at the resistance, and then support, then resistance, and the support, and the movement was very much synchronized with the stochastic. Whenever we have received the bull cross by the stochastic, we have seen that the price action moved up and hit the resistance level and moved down again. So we were expecting that the price action will continue this channel, but unfortunately, the price action broke down this channel on 24th or 25th of February. And after breaking down the support of this channel, the price action was forming a down channel now. And we can see so far the price action is moving down with the support of this pattern. And now we can see that the support of this pattern or this channel is very clear. We have several touches at the support, and this support or this channel goes in the favor of cup and handle formation, which I have been telling you in my previous videos. This is another chart which I published on 7th of February, and I have also posted the video on this chart, and I have discussed with you that on this video that the price action had formed a very smooth and round shape of the cup, and I was expecting that the price action will have a pullback from here And maybe I was at that time I was saying that maybe it will form a down channel or pennant or falling wedge formation, and we can see now the price action has formed a down channel now. At that time, the resistance of this cup was $9,819, but we have several touches at this level. At 10,350, we can see that we have 5 or 6 or 7 touches here. So therefore we cannot ignore this resistance level now. Therefore the new resistance level of this cup is $10,350, and now we can see that the formation of this cup is very smooth. This is the down wave and this is the up wave, are going very smooth without any hard corners or V shape. And now we have a pullback up to 0.50 Fibonacci. This is a Fibonacci retracement tool which I have placed from the bottom of the cup up to the resistance of the cup. So we can see that so far we have retraced up to 0.50 Fibonacci. An ideal retracement of Fibonacci is up to 0.618 Fibonacci. For me, up to 0.786 Fibonacci is also acceptable. But at this level, we have a 200 moving average support. I'm just placing the moving averages, the simple moving averages for your ease to understand what is the situation now. And we can see this black one is the 200 simple moving average, and the price actions are just accumulating or likely to be accumulating on this moving average. But once this 200 moving average will be broken down, then we have a last support of simple moving average on day chart, and that is 100 simple moving average. And this 100 simple moving average is at this time is at $8,277. So that will be our last support, and our price action support is also at $8,314. So once these simple moving average and this price level supports will be broken down, then we can see the next lowest resistance level, that is $6,515. That was our previous resistance level, and now working as a support. So we will have the last support of simple moving average on day chart, that will be 100 moving average, where at this time the 200 moving average, that is very strong support, is not broken down. And we have this golden cross formation, for which we were expecting that this golden cross formation will be formed very soon, and it will produce a very powerful bull rally like we had seen in the previous history of this price action, that different golden crosses has produced the bullish divergence for the price action. So this time we were expecting the last golden cross between 100 and 200 simple moving average, and that can produce a good powerful bullish divergence. That is left to be formed so far. So we are waiting for that golden cross as well. So if the 200 moving average moves down or the 100 moving average moves up, in both situations the golden cross will be formed, and we can see a powerful bullish divergence. But if the 50 moving average will cross down this 200 moving average before that golden cross, then we can see a very powerful bearish move by the price action that can lead to the previous support level at $6,515. But so far, this is very critical support, and at the 200 moving average where the price action is at this time. So this cup and handle formation is a very good hope for us, from where the price action can move up. And there are in more than 80% cases, whenever cup and handle formation or a pattern is formed, then when the price action break out the resistance of the handle, it also breaks out the resistance of the cup as well. So we can expect, once the price action will break out this resistance of the handle, it can also break out the resistance of this cup as well, that is $10,350. And one more last positive signal is that on 12-hour chart, we have a formation of bullish butterfly pattern, and now you can see the price action has entered in this potential reversal zone. I just posted this chart almost 2 days back on 27th of Feb, and you can see that the price action is completely entered in this potential reversal zone, having support of this 200 simple moving average. Very, very good sign for us, good signal for us. So there are chances that the price action will take the bullish divergence using support of this 200 simple moving average, or without taking using the support of this 200 simple moving average, and enter in this potential sell zone or the projection area of 0.382. This is the Fibonacci projection, 0.382 up to 0.786, and this is the projection area of A to D lag. So there are chances that the price action will enter in this area, and if the price action will be able to cross up the 0.786 Fibonacci level, then we can see that the price action will break out the resistance of the cup and the resistance of the price action as well. That is $9,819, and maybe we will have a next bull rally. But at this time, we are at very, very critical support of 200 simple moving average on day chart, and after that we have another critical support at 100 simple moving average. We should be ready for the worst case scenario. So if anybody want to use any stop loss at this time, then you can use this 200 simple moving average, or I will suggest the 100 simple moving average as your stop loss. And you can also use the different indicators with with these moving averages as well. For example, what I am watching at this time is the MACD. The MACD is very, very strong bearish on day chart. You can see the moving averages are expanded of this moving average convergence divergence indicator, and the histogram is also giving us very strong bearish signals. But up to 12-hour chart, it is switched or turned to weak bearish kind of bullish signal. But we cannot say anything unless these signals will be reflected up to day chart. So this was the update by the Bitcoin price action so far. I'll definitely keep you updated about the Bitcoin price action in the future as well. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.